Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a regular review of a mock of a swimming pool that I made. As you can see, I have 2 action figures, 3 Lego minifigures, and also 2 Barbie dolls in the swimming pool. And also that's the stairs for the swimming pool. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And please leave a comment in the comment box below. And please share the links to my videos if toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships. My contact info is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.